AI is coming to destroy you and your income unless you got these skills. In this video, I'm gonna break down 7 high-income skills that will make you a ton of money and make sure you're not replaced by AI. Because the robots are coming for us. They've been telling us this since Terminator 2, The Matrix, Terminator 3. I think they had like 4 Terminators. That was the plot of that. It's starting now. So before Skynet takes your job, we're gonna show you some of the skills that won't be replaced. If you can master any of these skills, you'll be balling out of control. And if you are broke, motherfucker, right now, these are the skills you need to stop being broke and start balling. I'm gonna break down exactly what they are, why they're not gonna be replaced by AI, and how you can start from zero, master these skills, and start balling immediately. Skill number 1, cybersecurity specialist. Cybersecurity is a growing field. AI can't replace it because hackers are getting more creative, and hackers are using AI to hack. So now we need more cybersecurity specialists in every field. Every business is gonna need this. And if you got a business, you're gonna need somebody to cybersecurity your business. Now this involves protecting data systems and networks from cyber threats. They getting more advanced. The motherfucking hackers all got AI now. It used to be just the hackers with the AI. Now the fucking regular haters got AI. Yo bitch got AI. And she might try to hack into your phone to see all the hoes you messaging. I know. This is the world we live in now. Now here's the thing. The income potential for this is crazy. It starts at 6 figures if you are a specialist, but it can go up to multi 6 figures, $300,000-$400,000, depending on your skill level and depends on who hires you. Now, how do you start from zero? Cool thing is, there's a low bar of entry for this. There's free courses you can take. So here's a free course on Coursera made by IBM. IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Professional. You get that certificate and it's free. You can get in there and it's made for beginners, flexible schedule. Coursera does not pay me to promote this shit. I'll take the money though, if you motherfuckers are watching. So that's a free resource to learn cybersecurity. Here's another one. This is a certification. This is a free resource. You can get it at this, I don't know how to say that, man, CompTIA. I found another resource for you guys. This one's called Hack in the Box. Let me go ahead and accept the cookies. I'm not confident this is free or not. Nah, this ain't free, but you can get a demo for free, right? And this is where you can like practice cybersecurity shit and you can get your fucking practice on and get good at this shit. The next high income skill that won't be replaced by AI, in fact, AI is gonna propel this, is software engineers, right? But you gotta be a full stack software engineer. Cause yeah, AI can do a lot of coding, you know? I've been vibe coding shit. I made softwares for myself. I know how to make agents and shit. But here's the thing though, to make it full stack, you still gotta connect a whole bunch of shit. You can use Claude Code to code something, or you can use Lovable to code some shit. But those are just like front end UIs. If you want it to be full stack, you gotta connect it to other shit. Not everybody knows how to do that. Qualified full stack engineers can make 100K easy. More than that though, it's like the income potential is kind of unlimited. Those is just for a job, but if you can start your own business, you can make a lot of money. I know a kid, he's 17 years old. He dropped out of college because he started a company. He was a software engineer and they just got $17 million in venture capital funding for his business. He dropped out of Columbia. So this is like super lucrative even now. How can you start from zero and learn how to engineer some software? If you go to Free Code Camp, there is a stack development curriculum. They did not give a fuck about the UI on this. They wasn't trying to make it pretty, but it's free and they have a certified full stack developer curriculum. You can start learning this shit, man, for free. It's free. And then there's another free resource called the Odin Project. I'm not confident this is free, right? But it has a whole curriculum, right? Career in web development starts here. Boom, full stack curriculum. Oh, it's free and supported by passionate open source community. So this is another free resource. You can fuck with that shit, and or you can post projects on GitHub, or you can start working on shit and post it on GitHub. These are all resources that you can use to become a full stack developer, and you can get hired by a company, make easy 6 figures, or you can start your own shit. Instead of fighting against the AI future, leverage that shit. The third high income skill that won't be replaced by AI, but it will actually be enhanced by AI, is AI machine learning specialist. This is a person who designs and trains and optimizes AI systems. So I know some people now who have AI agencies who are making money, and they develop proprietary AI softwares or integrate AI systems into companies. For example, my boy Jeremy, he pays a dude 6 figures just to be his AI guy. Pays a dude like well over 6 figures just to be his fucking AI guy. Jeremy had him take all of his content that he's ever put out on the internet, all his courses, all his trainings, upload it into a large language model, and they made something called AI Jeremy. So now any of his students, instead of fucking hitting up Jeremy for fucking help, they can just go to AI Jeremy. I utilize that interface as well to communicate with AI Jeremy when I got a question I don't want to bother him with. But companies are paying a lot of money for this, man. And you could start your own company. Like my boy who made AI Jeremy, right? He actually does it for other people. In fact, I hired him to do some AI stuff for me at one point as well. How do you learn this shit? Well, you can go to Code Academy, and they have a program, and it's free, and it's called Python for Beginners. Because Python, if you want to fuck with the large language models, you should probably know this code. And it's free, 100% free. Then you can go to Andrew's machine learning course. This is on Coursera. This is free as well. Supervised machine learning, regression and classification by Deep Learning AI. This is free. Once you have some skill underneath your belt, you can go to GitHub and participate in some of their shit right here with their machine learning projects. These are ways you can start from zero. I mean, even if you don't know shit, even if you a motherfucker in the hood with a Chromebook, you can start learning this shit, man. Now, we're gonna get away from the computer shit for high income skill number 4, high ticket sales or closing. AI is a long way from replacing salespeople. Because I've seen all of the programs that are available commercially, none of them can fuck with a good closer. People want to talk to people. I almost feel like it won't replace closers. Maybe it can at some point. You know, it's difficult for me to foresee the future. I ain't even noticed. 5-10 years ago, all this AI shit would have sounded crazy to me. Would have sounded like somebody's acid trip dream, right? But it's real now. So who knows what it's going to be like, 5-10 years from now. Still got a long ways to go before it can replace humans. You can become a salesperson for anybody who sells any sort of high ticket product or service. I know motherfuckers who walk around selling solar. My salespeople make, multiple 6 figures per year. And if you can learn that skill and master it, I'm telling you, you'll never go broke. You'll always need salespeople because it's different talking to a robot than being face to face with a human being. This is gonna make you some money. Like, you learn that? Well, this one's a little more difficult. You can learn all the scripts, you can learn all the tactics. I'll give you some books. The 1 Minute Salesperson, that's one of my favorite sales books. It's a really thin book. I read it when I was 19 and I was doing a sales internship for Abbott Laboratories. And my manager recommended that book. He said he thought it was the best. He made a lot of money doing sales. So I recommend that one. Definitely How to Win Friends and Influence People. It's not necessarily a sales book, but it's my favorite book and it's in the name. Win Friends, Influence People. That's what sales is. Jordan Belfort's book is fine. The Way of the Wolf. It's not great. Not awful either. And there's a lot of free resources on YouTube. You can learn all the shit you want. You can take all the classes and courses you want, man. But if you want to learn sales, you got to do it. This is a path you want to go down. Get any sales job you can get, even if it's a fucking restaurant. Being a waiter in America is a sales job because what you want to do is you want to run that bill up. And if you can run that bill up, you will get what? A higher tip. So you got to sell them on the fucking shit. I think that was my first sales job. Well, my first legal sales job was a server. But any sales job you can get, man, you're gonna have to really practice. If you got some other sales friends, role play, pause. And one of you guys is the potential client, the lead, the other person is the salesperson. And you start going over your scripts, handling different objections, throwing them at each other. Me and my sales team, we do role play, pause every morning. I'm on there at 8 a.m. with the sales team. And you gotta practice if you're a salesperson, because think about the best sports athletes. Kevin Durant is practicing every day. Giannis Antetokounmpo is practicing every day. You don't get to be the best in the world without practicing every day. And even when you are the best, you still gotta practice. The best basketball team ever, the '96 Chicago Bulls, when you watch the documentary, they said that the practices were more difficult than the games. And that's how we run our sales role play. Like, we make sure it's more difficult than the actual sales call they would be on. That way, when you get on the sales calls, it's easy. You gotta practice. You can go on Indeed or LinkedIn and just start applying, man. If you're brand new, you need to get any sales job you can get. The 5th high income skill that won't be replaced by AI is coaching. Yes, coaching. Some of you might be thinking, man, AI can replace coach. Can it though? You think the Kansas City Chiefs are gonna have ChatGPT coach the fucking team next season? Or are they gonna have Andy Reid coach the team next season? Coaching is different because coaching is not just telling somebody what to do, it's also making sure they do it, keeping them accountable. AI cannot do that because there's no consequences if you don't do some shit that Gemini told you to do. If you have a coach, now you have somebody to keep you accountable. Some of y'all lack discipline now and you got access to all the fucking AI tools, but if you had a coach, you wouldn't be as motherfucking undisciplined as you are. So any sort of coach is going to work really well. People always had enough information. Like, we always had books. We've had the internet for decades. It's never a lack of knowledge that stops people from accomplishing their goals. It's someone keeping them accountable. And coaching requires empathy and adaptability and human connection. That's the most important part, because people can ignore machines, but they can't ignore human bugging them, especially a human that they pay. So how do you get into it? I run a business where I teach people how to become online fitness coaches. I'm doing a live training where I will show you exactly how to grow your online fitness business. I'm gonna break down how you can get clients, how you can stand out, and how you can train your clients so they get great results. I've helped over 15,000 people grow their online fitness businesses, and I'm gonna show you how to do it for free. The link's in the description. It's gonna be a live training. I'm not gonna sell you anything on the call. In fact, if you come in trying to buy something, you won't be able to. It's gonna be 100% free. It's gonna be 100% live, and I'm gonna answer all your questions. All right, the link is in the description. Now you may be thinking, how much money can you make as a coach? I'm gonna speak for online coaches, but I'm sure you can extrapolate this for any sort of coaching service you may have. If you get 25 clients paying you a mere $80 a week, there's not a lot of money at all. If you go to an in-person gym, the average in-person training session is about $100 a session. You gotta see that motherfucker 3 times a week, right? So you're paying like $300 a week, right? And that coach is not even going to be tracking your macros for you or making sure that you hit your calorie goals. But online training, the way I teach it, that's like the main part, because you can't out-train a bad diet, but you can out-diet bad training. $80 a week, that's just one of the pricing models. I'm gonna go over all the other ones in the training, but let's say $80 a week. If you get 25 clients paying you $80 a week, and you keep an average of 25 clients for a year, 52 weeks, that is $104,000 a year for just 25 clients. You don't need millions of followers to get 25 clients. You don't need to run ads to get 25 clients. You don't need to build a website to get 25 clients. All you need is the knowledge that I'm gonna give you on this free training. Click the link to sign up. Let's say you already know how to train people. You already know how to get people great results in whatever field you have, right? But you don't have clients. What you wanna do is train some people for free. Put some posts out on social media, say that you're gonna train some people for free for like a month or so. You're gonna do that in exchange for testimonials. And some of the people are gonna fall off because they didn't pay, right? The more you pay attention. So you wanna get 5 to 10 people that you're gonna train for free if you're just starting. And the hopes is that at least half of them stay on and get results. And you're gonna use those results as testimonials to get your first paying clients. And you're gonna hit those people up after a month and say, hey, you wanna keep getting results like this? This is my price. And that's how you get your first clients. I'm gonna teach you that and more on the live training. Click the link in the description. The 6th high-income skill that will not be replaced by AI is creative director and brand strategy. This entails creating unique brand identities, campaigns, and marketing stories. Now, AI can't replace this 100% just now, but AI can make this job so much easier. It requires creativity, cultural context. It can't be automated. There's certain cultural nuances that AI doesn't have just yet. And then you got to do the whole campaigns, right? AI can really help somebody with that. Somebody still has to work the AI, and that is the creative director or brand strategy. The 7th high-income skill that will not be replaced by AI is actually leadership and team management, or even project management, because guiding teams towards a goal or a vision, it requires leadership and relatability. Is difficult to get out of a machine. Project management, somebody has to be in charge. So a project manager is almost like the coach for a team, right? Remember, we saying AI can't replace coaches. It can give you knowledge, but it can't replace coaches. And some free resources to learn project management. That's where I would start with this. So if you go on Coursera, there's a lot of project management courses that are free. Hey, this is from my alma mater, Howard University. Boom, Howard University Project Management Essentials, and it's free. Or you can, Google has one. They have a few of them. And once you learn it, once you have some experience, you get some of these certifications, then you can start applying for jobs, man, entry-level jobs. You know, the income potential of this is like, you know, you can make 6 figures being a project manager for the right team, multiple 6 figures. And to become a better leader, you might want to join some organization like Toastmasters or something, which is free, right? So you can learn how to speak more. Bonus rounds, negotiation, right? People who negotiate deals and negotiate on behalf of companies, that's not going to be replaced by AI if you can learn that. Networking is another skill that AI cannot replace, right? But AI can help with that. It can help draft emails and draft writing shit. I actually don't send anything in writing to anyone until I have ChatGPT correct it for me. Public speaking is another field that will not be replaced by AI. And yo, fun fact, YouTubers, right? That's another bonus. YouTubers can't be replaced by AI, not to make money at least, because Google will not pay AdSense for all AI content anymore. Thank God. I thought the machines was coming for us right away. We safe for now. These are AI proof because they're deeply human, right? A lot of these require human connections, or they require somebody to run the robots, to herd the robots and make them do shit. These are AI proof skills. Again, if you want to be a coach, an online fitness coach, I'm doing a live training on Wednesday where I'll show you exactly how to do that, to give you the whole game, start to finish. The AI definitely helps make this job so much easier. Man, it's so much easier than it was when I first started. Anyway, click the link, sign up for the free training, all right?